So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to log out from your WhatsApp web temporarily or remotely. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to simply log out from your WhatsApp web, you need to first of all log in into your WhatsApp website. So simply go to whatsapp.com and get logged in into your account by simply scanning your QR. Once you have scanned the code, all you gotta do is simply tap on the settings option. Once you tap on the settings option, you need to scroll down and you can find the logout option right over there. Simply tap on the logout option and you will be asked, are you sure you want to log out? You can simply turn on app lock instead. But as you choose to log out remotely, you need to choose the logout option. Now you will be logged out from your web page for temporary reasons or for like remotely. And now to get login access again, you need to simply scan this QR code with the help of the WhatsApp app on your device. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next video. We will be back again really soon.